Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to buy or purchase a player in FC Mobile. If you are looking to strengthen your team in FC Mobile by buying players, this guide will walk you through the process clearly. First of all, make sure to launch open the FC Mobile game on your device and make sure you have enough in-game currency to purchase players. From the home page of FC Mobile, go ahead and tap on the club button at the bottom right corner. Now go to Market option on the right, and after you are inside the market, select the players you want to purchase from the recommended list. You can also watch the player by adding them to your market watch list by toggling on this button right next to Watch Player. But if you want to purchase the player right away, go ahead and click on Purchase. Make sure you have enough value or currency to purchase the player. After selecting the player's card, click the purchase button at the bottom right corner. Select whether you'd like to go for the lowest value or the highest value and click on purchase. If you don't have enough currency, then you'll need to buy more. But if you do, you will be able to purchase the player right away. So that is the process on how you can purchase a player in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.